What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Check it out, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually snowing a little bit, guys. Can you believe that? It is like April 17th, I think, and it's snowing. It's like 42 degrees out too, and it was pretty windy earlier, so it was nasty cold. But wrapped up my first day of mowing, guys. First day of mowing. I think I did 8.5 or 9, I'm not sure. So here is, so I did that one, as you guys know. I got it all nice and edged up too. When I do the first mowing, I bring along my walk behind edger and get it real nice. That's way it's all easy from then on out. And then I also did that one with the pink tree, the first pink tree, not the second one. I don't know if you can see the second one. And then this next one with the Chrysler 300. And then this corner one. And then I did 3.5 on our street, and then a couple more around the corner from our house. So fun, loving the smell of fresh cut grass, guys. That smells really good. So alright, guys, stay tuned for the setup video. It's going to be coming here in the next couple of days, so stay tuned. Alright, we'll see you guys later.